Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Connections. This puts you where mobile data controls live. Once there, choose Data Usage, then Mobile Data Usage, so you see the current billing cycle and per app counts. Turn on Set Data Warning and Set Data Limit right away. This is the first actionable step. Make sure to enable the switches so fields appear. Once done, you'll be ready to configure a warning value and a hard limit that matches your plan. Next, adjust the billing cycle start date so usage counts align with your carrier. This prevents surprises. Then tap Data Warning and enter the amount you want to be alerted at, for example 2 GB, which keeps you informed before you hit the cap. After that, set the data limit to the maximum amount you allow, like 5 GB. This enforces a hard stop. Make sure to confirm each value and watch the per app bars update as you change limits. To finish, save your changes and monitor the notification area for warnings as you approach the limit. This confirms the settings are active. If you want extra control, restrict background data for specific heavy apps so the limit lasts longer. If you don't see limits enforced, toggle the set data limit off and on again, or restart the phone to reapply system policies. If problems persist, check for carrier-managed data controls or contact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.